New 2025 GMC Yukon. Big, bold and beautiful with premium appointments, the new Yukon is everything a luxury SUV should be. With intuitive tech and serious professional-grade capability, Yukon is designed and engineered to exceed all expectations. The 2024 Giga Yukon receives a variety of small changes for the fourth model year of the full-size SUV's fifth generation. These changes follow the 2021 Yukon, which received a complete overhaul, re-engineering and redesign. Followed by few small changes and updates to the 2022 Yukon and 2023 Yukon. The price increase could be due to the higher cost of materials and manufacturing, though the ongoing UAW strike, which recently hit GM's plant in Texas where the Yukon is assembled, could have something to do with the despite the price increase. The Yukon continues to be competitively priced for the class. Which is better, a Tahoe or Yukon? The Tahoe distinguishes itself with its adaptable and spacious seating, ample cargo space, and marginally superior fuel efficiency. On the other hand, the Yukon offers more upscale interior, refined driving dynamics, and slightly greater maximum towing capacity. The 2025 Yukon will be the next GMC SUV launch following the all-new Acadia hitting dealerships this spring. The image features the 2025 Giga Yukon 84 and shows its refreshed front fascia, updated headlight and redesigned grille executions. 2024 marks the 5th anniversary for Gamak, sa popular the char trim. Will Gamak launch in India? Tere arene upcoming Gamak cars for launch in India. Check it upcoming cars in India. Most reliable GMC Sierra by model year. J.D. Power ranked the 2020 GMC Sierra as America's most reliable full-size truck after 3 years of ownership. For the most reliable GMC Sierra 1500, look for model years 2021, 2016 to 2018, 2011 to 2012, and 2004. What's new for 2025? Aside from a couple of minor updates, like new 22-inch wheels, the 2025 Giga 1500 pickup is largely a carryover from 2024. This generation was introduced in 2019, and the Sierra Goth refresh na 2022, Gamak hai, the valid anya plans to update it drastically any time zone. Do GMC Yukon hold their value? After 5 years of ownership, KBB estimates that the resale value of the Yukon will be 46.4% of its original purchase price.